Madeira Beach is a fishing village, a beach town, and a great place to get fresh seafood. It's known as the grouper capital of the world, but you can also get craft beer, go boardwalk shopping, and have a great drink with a great view. To really understand a community like this, you just have to experience it. That's why today, I'm doing some fishing. Woo! We're only a few minutes in and first catch of the day.
It's a little baby. We got another one on. Right there. All right. Another Spanish mackerel.
Another Spanish mackerel. That's a beauty. Number 4, huh? One of the coolest areas of Madeira Beach is John's Pass Village and Boardwalk. They have a little bit of everything. Let's go check it out. Wow, this looks amazing. So if you want to take a break from the boardwalk, you can always come into Mad Beach Brewing Company, get some craft beers. You literally can't get any fresher than Walt's Fish Shack. All the fish they have is fresh off the boat every single day, and when they're done, they're done. They close down for the night. Wow. I'm sorry guys, but I gotta dig in. Now this is how you end your day at Madeira Beach. Come see what you've been missing.